That's okay.
enough. It gets us next steep.
That's okay. All good.
I came down here in the wet and me and Liam nearly went arse over tit. Look at this. They want me to fucking get over this. Yeah, okay. Oh, you haven't done this one before?
No, I came with him on 2 occasions
Okay.
and I sold him out and did it there.
Yeah. We're going around here.
Now we're going to the next challenge.
Dun, dun, G'day guys, Abandoned Angel, exploring in England with the Urban Don. And exploring Mike, he's somewhere. So,
We're going to do this, mate.
I've done one hurdle. Now,
I don't know if you're doing that because it'll just fucking slide straight away. Right. That's on there, yeah? We need weight on bottom all times though. Whoever's on bottom of that has to stay there until she's off it. Liam, if you keep charge of that, she might need guidance from Loz at top. Somewhere there's a fucking torch. So yeah, basically what we're trying to do is get her into a Stockport air raid shelters. I've done them a few times before, but yeah, this is the first time for Australian, and here she comes. And I've got to offer some words of wisdom and guidance to this lady now. Wish me luck. There's little Mike. There's little Mike. Well, we're going to abort mission. It's.
yeah.
Do you want to explain yourself?
Okay, this is way too hard for me. Steep. I'm not going to be able to lift myself up, so unfortunately, going to have to get the Urban Don to video it. Yep, that's it.
I'm going to try and do my best Australian accent for you all. All right.
Okay,
well, anyway,
cool.
mate, good effort for getting this far, yeah.
Thanks.
I'll get this.
Wait for you guys.
Yeah. All right, mate. I'll see you in a bit. Yeah.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to abort. Thank you.
Right, I'll take over from here, folks.
The Urban Don and exploring Mike go in there. I'm just chilling on the side of the freeway, guys, until they come out. Tried my best, but you know, sometimes you just can't. You just can't do it.
G'day, folks. Here we go. We're not going to stick with that because I'm shit at Aussie accents. Right. There's Michael. He's going to follow us on. Here we go. So that, I think, is a backfill section. So we're going to head this way. Got a little bit of graffiti. This section's actually been supported in recent years because you've got the concrete just above this sandstone, and it is carved out of a massive sandstone rock, this shelter. It's a little bit like one that I visited in Nottingham a few years back, and you can still see where they carved it out as well. All right, moving on. You can see here somebody's put a bit of string. They've used chalk, arrows. I'm going to ignore all that stuff and just follow his nose. I believe this part is sealed off. There's an old toilet there from back in the day. Okay, yeah, it's a bit of a maze, this place. So I'm just going to do my best for it. I cannot actually remember the way around it. I've only been in here once before. Aha, here we go. So, yeah, we've got all these bunk beds that have been here since the 1940s. local people used to come down here. It were a public air raid shelter. You would have had, I'd easily say 1,000+ people down here at any one time. It could sleep 1,000 people, so God knows how many people used to actually come down here when bombs were dropping on Manchester, which they did quite heavily during Second World War. Yeah, just a little area into nothing. This would have had maybe some lighting equipment, wires maybe, hanging off this. In fact, yep, because if I remember rightly, there are some old wires still knocking about and some old lampshades. So, yeah, I'll see if I can spot them. More of these beds. These did all used to be upright, but some plebs been down and tipped them over. We've got some that are upright, which is good. And in fact, yeah, for once I know where I am. I had a little sleep on that bed, and then just through here should be a toilet area. Okay, yeah, so there's the Danny, as Angel would say. We're in the Danny. So yeah, that's been there for a heck of a long time. Oh yeah, we've got one there as well. This one's still actually got the seat on it. It doesn't look like a very good memory to me. I don't think I'd sit there and read newspaper. Definitely not. Yep, and leading back out into another tunnel now. Now I've lost Mr. Michael. This is just a complete rabbit warren, this network of tunnels. And at this point, I really haven't got a clue how to get out. But I'm not too concerned. There's the stairs. Another long tunnel going off that way. And then we've got this big staircase here that people would have come down in the hundreds to come and shelter. Now, I do remember about a year ago when I came in here, or however long it was, there was some really old pieces of litter left in here that have been here for decades. I mean, that's a pretty old bud can, I'm thinking. It looks it. I don't drink myself, so I don't know if cans have been updated lately. But yeah, totally bored out concrete section, this, and then you've got the banister that they would have had on either side for people coming down here, probably in a bit of a panic, maybe in a bit of a rush. Must have been scary times. And behind this brick wall right in front of me, it leads out onto the housing estate. But it's all totally sealed off now. You can just see a little vent there that they've put in. But yeah, basically this place is closed forever to everyone. They've just forgotten about it. But us being us, we always find a little way into these things, and here we are. So, I'm gonna head back down these stairs now. Go and see if I can find little Mike. I found the man. Abandoned exploring Mike. What can't speak, can't lie.
Right, that's true.
Right, mate, you reckon you've got it sussed for getting us out of here, don't you? So.
Yeah, it's that way, but I was going to go down here.
Okay, I'll follow you, mate. I'm putting all my trust in you. Not for the first time.
Yeah, what for the last season?
I fucking hope not, mate.
Yeah. Let's be stuck down here.
I'm not ready to fucking go yet. No way. There's still some miles left on this, lad. Yeah, these have really decayed in this bit. You noticed as well, like, the difference in parts. They're absolutely pristine, these beds, aren't they? Yeah. You wouldn't believe that they've been down here for fucking hell. How long are we talking now? 80 odd years?
6 old.
6 old, eh? Are they condoms for a giant that's stacked up in toad sex hole?
Bigfoot Johnny's.
Bigfoot Johnny's. Standard Johnny's a sleeping bag for you, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, that's it.
I wonder if she edits all this stuff out. Jeez, look at the state of these, man. I know where we are. We're at, I tell you, I know exactly where we are. We're behind that other wall there, just the other side of us.
Yeah, they're just to the side of there, aren't they?
Yeah. But isn't it mad how you can't hear a thing?
No.
Not a thing. So we've got the M60 literally
There.
about 200 yards away from us, and we can't hear a fucking
On that
stitch.
side, yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. So, back this way, mate.
Yeah, man.
Rightio.
Oh, fucking hell.
Steady on, son.
Oh,
Are you alright?
yeah, man.
Thought you
I'll be backwards and I fell down the hill.
I was going to say turn right, but yeah, we've got no choice. It's right only.
Right then left.
Right and left, yeah. Yeah, I've got it now, in fact, yeah. He says. No?
No, let's
Next left.
right to zigzag.
Sorry if this is a bit shaky as well, folks. I weren't expecting to be coming in here and I ain't got my gimbal, so... Aha, here we go. I'm getting it my best shot for you. Yep.
Oh, I recognise that.
Yep, and this carries all electric. Huh?
Cash tattoo. Tattoo. Yeah, graffiti right in.
All right, Cash.
Yeah.
I noticed Beers had a lot of his work rubbed out when I were on my way back from yours yesterday. Yeah, old Beer. Big shout out to Beer. That's his graffiti tag. Never met the bloke, but I've seen his name everywhere. Beer. That must have been for the wealthy people, so they didn't have to sleep with the scrags. Did you imagine it though, Mike? All these beds like fully occupied. You're talking, I bet you're talking a couple of thousand people
I was counting one. Is that
to sleep,
30 beds on one row.
and then you've got all your standing room as well. They'd have just packed people in here, man. That must have been fucking terrifying. As scary as that. So we got up here. 2009. Mad, isn't it, mate?
I see all this on the wall, and all the carvings on the roof.
Yeah.
I see it all as you walk.
Yeah.
See, they must have some right manpower.
It would have took some manpower, but I bet you they did it fucking fast, mate.
I said, yeah,
Really
I said
quick.
that,
Yeah, they didn't mess about.
What the fuck's about, mate?
It needed to be done.
We done, yeah. Oh, every man, Tom, Dick and Harry would have been at it, wouldn't it? Oh, this might
Oh.
be the other one.
Huh?
That might be the other one that there was next to. 'Cause we
Possibly,
just-
yeah.
it's just up the road, up there, isn't it?
It's through here and left, mate.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll keep it. I'll keep it rolling until we get back out to them.
Can hear the traffic now.
Yeah, that's it. I can just pick it up now. Yeah, pick it up, traffic noise. And there it is. There we go. There's Leomsky. Leomsky.
Yeah.
Done it. I did it, mate.
I don't think my mum would
Yo, there she is. There's your star. See you later.
Yeah, and Don is out. Thank you so much for videoing in there. Be kind, peace out. He's up and over.